Hi guys, today we will look at announcement from ICI regarding CA final. Let me present the screen. So today in announcement section, you would have seen that the ICAI has released a new announcement regarding CA final course. So the announcement is that they have released case study judges for elective papers and SCMP for CA final new syllabus. So you'll be able to see this announcement in this link. So I'll be sharing that link in the description of this video also for your easy reference. So like you had said, this is the announcement which has come today. So you can find the date and then you can find the announcement. So the ICA for all 6 elective subject papers released the latest edition, Feb 2020 edition of Case Study Digest. So this is a very important aspect regarding elective papers because we have seen in the past that lot of students used to find very difficult to get a guidance on elective paper. So we know that the importance of the other papers, we put efforts towards that importance, but elective paper is something students which will students leave it on a choice or to keep it towards the end. So and a lot of students lack guidance on how to prepare for elective papers. So yes, this case study digest will be of utmost importance for those students. So let me look at this announcement in detail. They have reiterated the mark patterns of this case study books. You already know that each case study would have 20 marks each, and you will have to attempt it over a period of 4 hours. And then you know that it has 5 MCQs of 2 marks each, and this balance 15 marks is for descriptive questions. Then, then we have announcement from ICA in detail that they have come out this new version of case study digest for helping the students. So they have included high quality case studies with high analytical and interpretational skills. So students would require high analytical skills to complete this solve and this case studies. ICA was sure that this case study based questions would help them to attempt the exam with confidence and positive attitude. So like you had discussed, see the case study book has been shared for all the 6 subjects in the elective papers. So for all the 6 subjects, case study has been released from risk management, financial services and capital markets, international taxation, economic class, global financial reporting, and then multidisciplinary case study. So you can open this link, which is given here, to access the case study booklet. Yes. So first, I have opened the case study booklet for risk management. So here you can see that this is from Feb 2021 edition. So this is Feb 2021 edition released by Board of Studies. So this case study booklet for the risk management has around 134 pages. So this booklet is must for students who prepare any elective subject. So this is must for preparation. So I would require and recommend all the students to go through this case study before going and attempting in the exams. So, like you said, in elective papers, easily you can take any number of books. So, I would recommend all the students to take a print and have it with yourself for the purpose of practice. You can also take it to the exam hall for the it will be easy reference for you to how to answer the case studies. So, not only for the elective papers, the ICA has issued case studies also for SCMPE. You understand, a part of the SCMPE is completely towards the case studies. So to understand make answer those case studies better, IGI will release a version which would be useful to the students. Yeah. This has around 185 pages. Correct. So this case study can be accessed through announcements link in students section, but you can also view it through another way. So you can view it through EOS knowledge portal. Another, you can choose final course, then choose which is the elective paper which you want to look at. So let me take risk management, and the first thing which you have is case study digest. Yeah, so you can access case study through this way also. So that's it from my end. This is the important announcement which came today. So like I said, students tend to leave case study on choice or to prepare towards the end. So this book is going to be of utmost importance to students for preparing case studies. So that's it from my end. The description of this video contains a link to access these case studies. Also, I recommend all the students to subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram group and Instagram. Follow our Instagram page so that you can get updates on time. Thank you.